everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Incredible English. What is the ultimate purpose of learning English? Definitely, everyone will give the same answer. In order to speak effectively, communicate effectively in English. And one of the most frequently searched items in YouTube being how to improve our speaking skill, how to enrich my vocabulary. Today, I would like to share with you all a simple learning method, a 3E method for improving your communication skill or improving your knowledge in English. This is a simple technique. This is a self-learning technique actually intended for those people who are unsure about their plans on how to start their speaking sessions. How to start, where to begin, which material should I go through, whether I should go for any classes or whether I should download any online speaking app, English speaking app. With loads of doubts in mind, for those people definitely this is going to be useful. You might have gone through many videos and many of you might be practicing that too. And in this video, I have also gone through certain areas where we need to be very careful, extremely careful. We need to zero in on certain areas in order to avoid mistakes because once learned, it's very difficult to unlearn. So while learning, do it perfectly. And if you are going to follow these tips and tricks which I am suggesting seamlessly every single day without any pause for 6 months, definitely you will get the desired result. So which are these 3E? Let's see. So in this video, I will introduce these 3E and the detailed explanation of each E will be there in the coming video along with the methods you need to follow. So these are the E's: expose, enrich, enhance through the combined effort. Yes, there is one big E at the last, effort. Certainly, that is the much needed thing for any task to be successful. You have to put your 100% effort for making it successful. And I'm not giving you any vague promises that after watching this video, you will be able to speak fluently the very next day. It will take time. But if you put your 10% effort, definitely after 6 months, you will be into the flow and you are doing that pretty well. So don't miss out the video to know each of these E's and the tips and tricks. See you soon.